Guys, today I'm going to be doing some walkthrough solves for you on this X-Men Tornado V3. Let's go. Alright, so this is the first scramble. Okay, so what I see here, okay, so what I'm going to do is I see that there's a cross piece here. I'm doing right cross, by the way. A red piece here, blue piece here, and orange piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the blue piece down and then insert the red piece, take this orange piece and take it down, and then I'll rotate and then just insert like this green piece. Okay, and then after this I would most likely I would see this pair and this pair, so I'd take it out like this and then take it in with an F. And then I would see this orange and green piece with this orange green piece, so I would put this to the left, connect them, and then do a sledge-ish kind of thing. And then after that I would rotate to find more pieces and okay, and I would do this piece. So this is kind of a bad area, but I'm gonna find the piece that corresponds with this, so just like that, and then I'm going to turn it this way and do this algorithm, which makes it a pair, and then put it in the back, so that when I put this back it's still there, and then I'll put it in this front row like this and insert. Next are these two. This is really easy, so I'll just F prime, U, F, and then just sledgehammer. And then next I use two Lagolo, so I'm gonna put this to the right and do a double sexy, and then do the solo case, and then just Olo and Pilo, and that's it. This is the next scramble. So, sorry, let me focus that. Okay, so what I see here, I see red piece, blue. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this green piece in its slot, so these are together, and then insert this orange piece. And what this does is it makes everything aligned, so that all I have to do is a D, and then just it'll be with its centerpiece. After that, I'll take the blue and turn it down like that, and then just D, and then everything is aligned. Now for this, I'm gonna do this F2O pair, so I'm gonna take it to the back, R prime, U prime, R, and then do a U, and then just insert like this. Next, I see these pairs, which is actually, this is pretty good scramble. So I just do a 3-move insert. And then after that, wow, it's pretty good. Then I'm gonna do this F2L case, so L prime, U2, L, and then just U prime, and then insert like that. Oh my god, this scramble is really good. And then after that, I'm gonna do this case, so just L prime, U prime, L, and then just U prime, and then just insert like that. And then this is actually one of the OLOs I do know, so I'm gonna do the algorithm for this, and once that's done, then I'll just do the last PLO. Done. Alright, this is the next scramble. Okay, so I'm going to I'm gonna do this a simple way. So I'm gonna do what I did last solve. I'm gonna take this red piece down with an R facing blue, and then put the blue down as well, so that I just have to do a D, and then it faces, and then it aligns. After that, I'm gonna insert this pair next to it, and then I'm gonna do an F, align, and then an R prime, and then that aligns it all. After that, I'm gonna look around and I see this piece and this piece. orange and blue, and orange and blue and white. It's gonna take this orange and blue and just turn it to the, do an R, line it, and then I'll just insert like that. And then next, I would, I honestly don't have a good situation for this, so I might do the blue and red and just, you know, put it in somehow, but like this maybe, or like something. But what I would do in this situation, because I don't know this F12 case yet, is I would take this red and green piece out and then just set them up for a three mover. Okay, and then next I would see this pair is done, so I'm just gonna insert it into the slot, rotate, and then insert this by doing L prime, U2, L, and then just three move insert. Do this case, nice soon, and then do an easy J perm. Boom. Alright, this next one, this is the scramble. Okay. So what I see here, we got, okay, that's connected. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, what I would do is I would first put this orange piece so that it aligns, and then after that I would align it with the center. Take this down, not using that finger trick, more like this. And then after that I would insert this pair just like that, easy cross. Then I would use advantage of this pair. So I would take it to a U, to the back, separate them, and then three move insert. After that, I would align these two, take them out, and then just rotate to the right, separate them, and then rotate. This is not the best since those types of pieces are very hard to do, but yeah. Okay, now I see these two, and I'm gonna add them by doing an L prime, U2, L, and then after that I'm gonna do an R by prime, U, and then R prime, do an M, a U prime, and then M, and it's insert like that. Okay, next are these two, so I would probably rotate this way, and then set them up like that, put them here, and do a sledgehammer. Next I would do this case, soon, and then do this Y perm. Done. Alright, finally, this is the last scramble. Okay. So in this scramble, I would probably, so I'd take this blue piece and insert it here, and then do a D prime, I think is D prime, just to the left, do an F to put this in the bottom, and then realign it, and then after that I just do a D, and then an F, and then align it like that. Next, I would see this pair and do a move like that to separate them, easily insert. Next, I see the blue and orange piece and the blue and orange piece, so I'll align it and then put it in sledgehammer. And then I will rotate to look for more pieces like that. And then I'll do these two pairs by doing an R, U, wait, R, U prime, and then R prime. Insert them like that, and then rotate, and then separate these two F12 pair by doing a U prime, and then R prime, U prime, and then R prime, and then setting them up. After that, I would do an O case. I would do a dot case, and then do an L case. Finish it off. Ooh. Finish it off with one of these guys, and then after that, I would do another J-form to finish it off. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this and if you want me to do more in the future, as I will be improving as I go on, so I would love to do more of these, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.